What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and it is a cold one here out here in Jersey, but that's not stopping us from making videos because we have a 2012 F-150 in for a 6-inch lift kit from Rough Country. Now, it does have some wheels. I know in the front it may not look like it, but the other set is in the bed of the truck, but it's not only in for the 6-inch lift kit, it also has a slew of other parts. But let's get this truck into the shop, warm up a little bit, and start wrenching. Well, guys, here it is, the 2012 F-150 with the 6-inch lift kit from Rough Country. I think this thing looks absolutely killer, especially finishing it off with the TIS Offroad wheels. Now, for me, I think the transformation was an absolute killer of an outcome. I think that this Rough Country 6-inch lift kit was the perfect thing to completely change the look of this vehicle. Not only did we add the 6-inch lift kit, but we have new knuckles, new upper and lower control arms, a whole bunch of other goodies. But I want to hear it from you guys. What do you think about this transformation? Or what would you have done if this was your F-150? So guys, it's the end of the video, so don't forget to smash that like button. Leave a comment down below on what you think about this build. And as always, guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.